Hi friends, today we're going to be learning some multiplication rules. There are two funny words that you're going to have to remember in order to be successful in today's lesson. Let's jump right in to see what our goals are. Today, mathematicians will demonstrate the commutative and associative properties of multiplication by drawing models and writing multiplication sentences. Those two tricky words are the commutative and associative property. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are. In today's problem of the day, you had two problems to solve. Part A said, Kitty went to Target to buy movies. She bought 5 movies. Each movie was $8. How much money did Kitty spend on the movies? Well, if I go back and read the problem one more time, and then take my important information, my important numbers, and put it in the GET, I know that 5 movies are the groups, and each movie was $8. I'm trying to find how much money did Kate spend on the movies altogether. If you drew out a model, it should look something like this. 5 groups with 8 dots or 8 slashes representing the dollars in each one. And Katie spent a total of $40. When I write my multiplication sentence, it's 5 times 8 equals 40. Now let's look at part B. She also bought 8 video games that cost $5 each. How much money did Kate spend on video games? I'm going to go right back and read the problem one more time and take my important numbers and put them in my GET. This time, 8 is our group because each video game is a group and each one cost $5. If you were to draw a model, your model should have looked something like this. Now there are 8 groups with 5 dots or slashes in each representing the dollars. And it gave me a total of 40. My equation for this problem is 8 times 5 equals 40. Friends, what do you notice is different about these two problems? If you said that the models look different, they absolutely do, because 5 times 8 looks different than 8 times 5. Friends, what do you notice that is the same about these equations? If you said that they have the same total, you're absolutely correct. But they both have the same answer, which brings us to our first multiplication rule, the commutative property of multiplication. This tells us that no matter the order that the factors are in, the total never changes. So 3 times 5 equals 15, but 5 times 3 also equals 15. Remember, in the last problem, the model looks different, but the total is the same. When we're just writing equations, we can flip-flop those factors and still get the same total.